everyone. I want to take this moment to thank all of you for liking this subconscious mind series which I have started. We have already completed the 5 video lessons, and this is the last video where we will be discussing about how healing is related to the subconscious mind. Now, how do we define healing? Healing is to work on your own internal self, to work on your emotions, on your feelings, on your thought process, which is not in the right direction, which is not helping you go ahead in your life. I always feel that this one statement always keeps me on track. And the statement is, are you becoming bitter or better in your life? There is just one letter difference. So bitter is bitter and better is better. So at any point of time, if you are feeling that you are getting bitter and bitter, you are getting angrier, you are getting negative in your life, that's the time you need healing. But if you are growing in your life and if you are following the path of your purpose, you are following your passion, you are following the things which your heart truly desires, and you are happy being in that state of mind, then you do not need healing. So now in this part, we will discuss that how healing is related to the subconscious mind. So for that, I will tell you a very simple scientific discovery which people have done, which is called the placebo effect. Now this placebo effect, how do doctors and scientists use it? So what doctors do, they go to a patient's ward and say, for example, a patient is not getting sleep and he's having sleepless nights. So the doctor will say that, okay, I'll give you a syringe and this will help you to get 12 hours of sleep consistently. And you know what? The moment the patient gets that syringe, he starts feeling that now the medicine is going to work in his body and he will be able to sleep peacefully. And within 5 to 10 minutes, the patients sleep very comfortably and do not get up until like 10 to 12 hours. Now, how does this happen? And the secret is, in the syringe, there is no medicine. There is nothing which can put the patient to sleep. It is simple distilled water. And you might have observed in your life as well, the moment we are not feeling well and something is not getting well in our body, we show to a doctor. The moment we come from the hospital, we feel that now we are getting better. So it's just the psychological effect which happens in your subconscious mind, because your subconscious mind doesn't have a mechanism to reject anything. The moment the doctor says that you are going to get well after having this particular medicine, your subconscious mind believes that now after the medicine you are going to get better, and it starts producing those chemicals, those hormones which will help you to recover faster. And this principle was applied in various medical experiments where people were given like simple sugar pills, saying that it is a very heavy dose medicine and once you have it you will start feeling better. And the patient actually felt better because the subconscious mind got the message that this particular pill or this particular syringe is having that power to make me feel better. And the same principle applies in healing. Whenever we give inputs to our subconscious brain that I am feeling better, everything is moving into my life for my betterment, everything which is happening in my life is for my betterment, I am getting better every day, I am growing in my life every single day, every person who is coming in my life is for my growth, whether he is negative or positive. Because every person with whom we are connecting, every soul which we are meeting in this particular lifetime is designed to have a purpose, a role in our life so that we can progress and grow. So once we start programming our subconscious brain with these powerful sentences, affirmations, and thoughts, the healing happens much faster. And that's why I talk so much about this Ho'oponopono technique, because Ho'oponopono simply works on your subconscious brain. Whatever garbage, whatever negative thoughts, whatever not so good feelings which we have stored in our subconscious brain, the Ho'oponopono prayer works on the subconscious mind and helps in deleting those painful and not so good memories which we are holding. And once these memories are released from our mind, there is a lot of space in our mind for new things which can come into our life. So hope this was useful. So always remember, whatever instruction we give to our subconscious mind, it will directly have an impact on our healing, on the way we see things, the way we perceive things, the way we have belief about certain things. So hope this series was super useful to you. Please type in the comment section how was your experience. If you haven't watched the previous videos, please go back, watch all the video lessons, because after going through these 6 video lessons, you will have an absolute clarity about why there are people who are struggling in their life, because they are just operating with the conscious thought of I want to do this, I want to achieve that, but they forget that it is their subconscious mind which needs to be reprogrammed in order to get whatever they want in their life. So talk to you in my next series, and till then, take care. Goodbye.